vlog, guys.
So let's go, let's go, let's go. Where's my sword? Here's my sword. And guys, it's day 3, guys. It's day 3, and we're back to work. Let's get back to work. Everyone has gone, guys, but so today I'm gonna see, guys. Previous days we have gone down there, but today we're going upwards. Almost done with the work down, but still got a little bit left, and we're gonna finish it up by today evening. So this morning what I do is we're gonna finish up the remaining ones which are left there, and then whew, it's a long way, guys. Let me show you. See, here's where I'm going right now, and let's go, let's go, let's go. See the view, guys. Haha, it's too cloudy. I'll show you the next vlog. What I'm trying to show you just now is that tomorrow or the after tomorrow we'll be going to that place to clean up the nursery of this areca palm, the nuts, the seeds, I mean. We have our nursery around that might be the level, so we'll be going in the next 2 or 3 days. Oh, the road, guys. Hi. Oh, I forgot to show you that fruit. And here are mangoes as well. Mango. See the betel nut, guys. We are in July, and these nuts are starting to come out. They're not yet really, they're still very small. So by the end of December or November, they'll be coming to pluck these things. So here are the here are cows. What there you go. Hoi. Oh, it's very hilly, guys. I'm already very tired. See, these are all our betel nut, which we call areca palm. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on moving. See, guys, this is how we live in a farm. Ooh, let's have another view again, once again. See, these trees are now at their 7 or 8 years, and these have started bearing their fruits by last year, I guess. Yeah, last year. And this year, this year they just started. There. Hi. See the highs and lows. Woo. I've been coming from there. But look at me, guys. I'm still stuck here. Hey. Who knows? They might have even finished up the work. See the view. Yongchak. This is mango again. And this used to be our house before, but now it's already collapsed. And see, right now we're in a quite plain, no hills, and now I guess for me I need to walk here. There's still leftover. My younger brother might be there, so let's have a look, guys. Zai! Let's start alright. Let's start right away. Here. One. Oh, see. Those colors which you can see like a burnt colors, like brownish, those are the completed ones which we have done in the previous days, and here are the unfinished work. So let me go and look from there, and we have to start working with it. It's very slippery, guys. Let me call him once again. Zai! How did mo? He's down there, it seems. Here are also the done places. Let's see. Can you see the difference, guys? Finish and unfinished. Let's go. Here. They are seeing their second year right now. They almost died. Covered every plant. So we have to save them from this. Plant more trees, guys. Plant more trees. The first year we planted rice here, and after planting rice we did this. Now let's go on. Yeah. So we'll be back, guys. Let me start working. Ang klong tayo mo. Asat pa kani. Ha? Almost done with the work, as you can see. Okay. Welcome back once again. Oh, I forgot to close the door, guys. If not, the cows are gonna go inside the house and destroy everything, guys. So we need to close. This is how I close. Do, guys. And what about this side? Almost forgot. Chalo, guys, let's go. These are things which I ate before. The fruits I told you guys. And now it's time to go and start with the work again. And we were done with our lunch, and then we took a little bit of rest, and now it's around like 2:10, I guess, evening, around 2:10 p.m. And as I told you this morning, guys, we're going downwards and we gotta finish that work, and that's gonna be enough for today. So and let me flip this camera, guys. So here we go. Let's keep going. See, guys, it's all up. Let's go. Go. These are called biting, guys. Biting. Biting. So let's go. The work's not much, so, and I forgot to where are these guys? Where are these guys? Woo! So guys, hey, we don't need to work. Yeah, it's already tired. I'm already tired. Check there. Yo, there's my mom working so hard, guys. These are the leftover. We're gonna finish it by today, and then that's all for today. Solta. So let's get to work, guys. We're back soon. sol talungan deh. Kesol talun ta Ka helper pa kasi kala sukin ta cerlok mo. Dục nok pa dai khian hang. Aban hoi cer. That's where we are going tomorrow, guys. That's the place where we are going tomorrow. And here is where we are right now. We are done, guys. Now we are heading back. And kabek ka wala ang tali. Move lang. No. Amoy ta ka ba? Iko ba dito? Amoy ta bit lang.
Yung lawang lato na yung wala.
Nito.
Yang ba to ah? Kilala ko. Hindi lang bilang.
Hey, mo ita dan hidup pa ito. Ayangan ni karahay. An chat thay lalal. Tingin ayang hi karahay kan ting bit. Ruvong na chu va ta suk in kho kho pela. Ko chi chu ni no kho pa. Ki kong shi ni. Ruk sat kai tu ni. Hôm thọ anh nu mà không hết rồi, lần mà làm mình sát đây sát thật là này, kèm dục sạt có thể anh ơi, phải tôi ta đều anh tự chính lại mà gì cái tâm đổi cáp đi, khu vực không bao, không thể có tâm đổi cáp một miếng rồi. Tin bilang sa tin bil. Misu ni ko masakan sul. Kaya kan long này ha, tinggi dia. Sul, free itu sah. Sat nak pen sat nanti. Tung trà nè. Anh tung trà anh đi. Peti. Kinai kan lawat met om sia. In hun chu fai ta ba ke la. Imite. Mitay ma hun chu fai lak reng ani. Tu man tading mo tay matak chu. Bai bing ka tam ka pela. Ngi en kollo na en kolle min la chu. Anh chanu mani hun ma deu April sa vela tokin lo su pai dam lo ka tam ni sin an bit vongal la kaning lai popo mulin ya fai sai clear mani khukun tan ding mo la su rel meta odan ni khi bai bing du pa chu bai bing la he su song mani Imit kanuma beto ka fon to si pa ini long fe tala nal nom nang chu zana le chao deu nung no kita la ki bu fak ma ni musu kata mun khai sung tu ta kana mai kanin hadam net ai wa shat tak bo kolam hi tan ding lokal tam Lai chỉ này thôi, lo mình túi nóc này, trong lai sao? tholan not. Hả? Yeah. Sol try loi dai. Extra time man ta hikan thoi ku ta sin thoi. Kan khu va mi kan zoi matalwa. An la jok pumet dengan ni. Hilai đâu khi nào tu không? Những boss pan song lai tập sân trần dengan dia. Zui pe.